OneNote on OneDrive rather than using it on a local computer. Now, it's not quite as easy to use as it is on the local computer, and it doesn't have nearly the same features. And if you want to download your notebook to turn it in for an assignment, we've got to go through some extra steps here. So I'm going to click on Create in OneNote Notebook. Now, if you remember, your assignment is that you have to create a notebook called Schoolwork. And inside that notebook, you're supposed to have 3 different sections and 2 pages in each section with content on each page. Now, I'm going to give you an example of creating 1 section and 2 pages. You'll just recreate the same thing to do multiple sections. So, I've already got a section that's opened up. Right now it's untitled, and I can't give it a title yet due to the way that OneNote works. So it's going to be BCIS. I'm going to put my first page as Computer Concepts. Okay, then I'm going to click on this expansion, and I'm going to add a page. This page is going to be called Microsoft Office. Okay, now, see, I can't rename this section yet. I'm going to have to add 1 more section before I can do that. So I'm going to come up here and click plus for a new section. I'm going to name this one English, or ENGL. Okay, I'm going to make 1 page for research papers. And then I'm going to add another page and call it literature. Alright, now I can go back and rename this section. So I right-click on it and I click Rename. I'm going to name it BCIS. Okay, to put content on the pages, I'm going to give you some examples with the BCIS pages. Okay, I'm going to click on the Computer Concepts page. I'm going to add a little text. This page is reserved for computer concepts. And then I'm going to insert a picture. So I'm going to insert clip art, because clip art's online and easy to get. And I'm going to just put the word computer in here as a search term. And let's see what I want to select. I'm going to select this picture of a laptop. Click Insert. Give it a couple of seconds here so it gets it inserted. Okay, now I'm going to go back and I'm going to change to the Microsoft Office page. Now, right now, the Insert tab is not showing up, and I'm not going to be able to click in here. Now, this is one of the kind of tricky things about OneNote. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to close my notebook, and I'm going to go back to OneDrive. And when I reopen this notebook, now you see there's the notebook. When I reopen it, I should be able to add content to that second page. Microsoft Office. And now I can add content to the page. And if I wanted to put a picture in here, oh, let's see, I can just search on software. And I'll pick the picture of the box software set here. So you go about this same process for putting content on all the pages. Now, let me expand this again. See, right now I have 2 sections. I have a BCIS section that has 2 pages, Computer Concepts and Microsoft Office. I have an English section that has 2 pages, 1 for research papers and 1 for literature. Now, you would have to create a 3rd section and add 2 pages to it. And remember, you have to put content on all these pages. Now, when we get done with building this, if we go back to OneDrive, let me do that again. If we go back to OneDrive, I'll see this notebook that I've created. Unfortunately, we can't download the notebook in this format. We have to put it inside a folder. So I'm going to right click in the field here and I'm going to click Create and Folder. And I'm going to put OneNote Download as the name of the folder. Okay, now I want to place this file in there. And I should be able to just drag it and drop it. And it says that it's moved it to the folder. Now let's look inside the folder and make sure it's there. So there is that file. Okay, I'm going to go back up to OneDrive. Now I can select this folder, and now one of the options I've got here is download. So I'm going to click on download. It's going to make this into a zip file for download. So I'm going to click Save File. Okay, the file has downloaded, and I'm going to find it in my Downloads folder. And there's that OneNote zipped file. This is what you would submit in Blackboard to satisfy the requirements of your assignment. So that's how to create a OneNote notebook on OneDrive, how to get it inside a folder, and then how to download it.